Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson. So the name of the lesson is Prominent Capital Cities. So each country has a capital city, and the capital of a country is a city that is the center of the government. So the capital, it is typically a city that physically encompasses the government's offices and meeting places. Even the status as capital is often designated by its law or constitution. But the capital city is not always the largest city of a country. So today we are going to learn some capital cities that are very famous because of they have some historical importance or they have a lot of wealth. So today we will learn some of the prominent capital cities. So let's see the first prominent capital cities, that is Washington DC. So Washington DC is formerly the District of Columbia and also known as DC or just Washington. It is the capital city of the United States of America. It is located on the Potomac River bordering Maryland and Virginia, with Congress holding its first session there in 1800. The city was named for George Washington, the first president of the United States and a founding father, and the federal district is named after Columbia, a female personification of the nation. Because of the seat of US federal government and several international organizations, this city, Washington, is an important world political capital, and it is one of the most visited cities in the US with over 20 million visitors in 2016. It is also said that Washington, it is a home to many national monuments and museums, primarily situated on or around the National Mall. So it is also called as the White House. So the American president lives here at the White House. The White House and the Capitol are examples of some early classical structures, and this Capitol was designed by William Thornton in 1792 and the White House was designed by James Hoban in 1792. Much of the attractiveness of Washington can be attributed to the hundred of outdoor sculptures and monuments that adorn the parks, gardens, buildings, avenues and cemeteries of the city. So, Washington DC, it is the capital of the United States of America. Now let's see the next capital city, that is Tokyo. So Tokyo, it is officially Tokyo Metropolis. It is the de facto capital and the most populous prefecture of Japan. So Tokyo, it is the capital of Japan and it is located at the head of Tokyo Bay and some part of the Kanto region on the central Pacific coast of Japan's main island of Honshu. So Tokyo, it is a political and economic center of the country as well as the seat of the Emperor of Japan and the national government. The Greater Tokyo area, it is the most populous metropolitan area in the world with more than 37.393 million residents. Tokyo is the largest urban economy in the world by gross domestic product, and it is categorized as an alpha city by the Globalization, the World Cities Research Network. Tokyo is Japan's leading center of business and finance. Tokyo has the world's tallest tower, Tokyo Skytree, and the world's largest underground floodwater diversion facility. Tokyo is an international center of research and development, and it is represented by several major universities. University of Tokyo. So Tokyo, it is also the place where Emperor of Japan lives. So Imperial Palace, it is the home of the Emperor of Japan, which lies at the heart of the city. Tokyo is Japan's major cultural center. Displays depicting the art and history of Japan and Asia are featured at the Tokyo National Museum and in Ueno Park. Now let's The next capital city, that is Paris. So it is the capital and the most populous city of France with an estimated population of 2,175,601 residents, and it has an area of more than 105 square kilometers. So since the 17th century, Paris has been one of Europe's major centers of finance, diplomacy, commerce, fashion, science and arts. The city of Paris, it is the center and seat of government of the France or Paris region. For centuries, Paris has been one of the world's most important and attractive cities. It is appreciated for the opportunities it offers for business and commerce, for study, for culture and for the entertainment, and for painting as well as for literature. So, millions of tourists visit this city each year to see its landmarks, that is the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. So Paris, France capital, it is a major European city and a global center for art, fashion, gastronomy and culture. And its 19th century cityscape is crisscrossed by wide boulevards and the river Seine. See the next capital city, that is Rome. Rome is the capital city and a special commune of Italy, as well as the capital of the Lazio region. The city has been a major human settlement for almost 3 millennia. And it is the third most populous city in the European Union by population within city limits. And it is also the most populous metropolitan city. So Rome is located in the central western portion of the Italian peninsula within Lazio, Latium, along the shores of Tiber. Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. It is an independent country inside the city boundaries of Rome, the only existing example of a country within a city. For this reason, Rome has sometimes been defined as the capital of two states. It is an ancient city with more than 2,500 years of history. So, it is one of the oldest continuously occupied cities in Europe. So it was first called the Eternal City by the Roman poet Tibullus in the 1st century BC. And the famous artists, painters, sculptors and architects made Rome the center of their activity, creating masterpieces throughout the city. So in 1871, Rome became the capital of the Kingdom of Italy, in which 1946, which became the Italian Republic. By 2019, Rome was the 11th most visited city in the world with 10.1 million tourists, with third most visited in the European Union. So the Vatican City, a city-state surrounded by Rome, Italy, it is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. It's home to the Pope and a draw of iconic art and architectures. So Vatican, which is an important pilgrimage center for Christians, it is located here. Also the Rome city has also famous museums and tourist landmarks. Rome is also an important center for music and it has an intense musical scene. So today it is one of the most important tourist destinations of the world because of its museums as well as famous architectures and other treasures, fountains, churches, palaces, historical buildings, monuments and Vatican museums. So Rome is the third most visited city in the Europe now. Now let's see the next capital city, that is our London. So London is the capital and the largest city of England and the United Kingdom. The city stands on the river Thames in the southeast of England at the head of its 50-mile leading to the North Sea. So London has been a major settlement for 2 millennia and Londinium was founded by the Romans. The city of London, London's ancient core and financial center, an area of just 1.12 square kilometers and it is known as square mile. The London region is governed by the Mayor of the London and the London Assembly. London is one of the world's most important global cities. It exerts a considerable impact upon the arts, commerce, education, entertainment, fashion, finance, healthcare, media, professional services, research and development, tourism and transportation. And it is one of the largest financial centers in the world in 2019. London's universities form the largest concentration of higher education institutes in Europe. London contains 4 World Heritage Sites, that is the Tower of London, the Kew Gardens, the site comprising the Palace of Westminster, that is the Buckingham Palace, also the Big Ben. It is also one of the most diverse cities in the world where 300 languages are spoken in London. And the Queen Elizabeth II, she lives in Buckingham Palace, which she has many other royal residents. So London, which is the capital of England, it also has a history that goes back to ancient Roman times, which is located on the river Thames. Now let's see the last capital city, that is Moscow. Moscow, it is the capital and the largest city of Russia. The city stands on the Moscow River in central Russia with a population estimated at 12.4 million residents within the city limits, while over 17 million residents in the urban area and over 20 million residents in the Moscow metropolitan area. And Moscow is among the world's largest cities, being the largest city entirely in Europe and largest urban area in Europe and the largest metropolitan area in Europe and the largest city by land area on the European continent. And Moscow grew to become a prosperous and powerful city that served as the capital of the Grand Duchy that bears its namesake. Moscow is governed as a federal city that serves as the political, economic, cultural and scientific center of Russia and Eastern Europe as an alpha world city, and the city is one of the fastest growing tourist destination in the world and one of the most expensive cities in the world. And Moscow, it is home to the third highest number of billionaires of the city in the world. And the Moscow city, it is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites and it is well known for its display of Russian architecture, particularly its historic Red Square, the buildings such as St. Basil's Cathedral and the Moscow Kremlin, which serves as seat of power of the government of Russia. The city has over 40% of its territory covered by greenery, making it one of the greenest cities in Europe and the world. There are also notable landmarks and museums in Moscow. And the Kremlin, which is the residence of the Russian president, it is located here in Moscow. Famous due to their historical importance or wealth. So I think so you have understood some of the descriptions about the capital cities and their capital. So now see the exercise part. That is the fun time part. In the fun time part, you have to take the correct capital city of with the following countries. So see the first one, that is Switzerland. So the capital of Switzerland, it is Bern. So you can tick the correct option on B in the box. Now see the second one, that is Canada. So the capital of Canada, it is Ottawa. That is option A. So you can take the option A. Now see the third option, that is third one, that is Germany. So the capital of Germany, it is Berlin. So you can tick option A, Berlin. Now see fourth one, that is capital of Brazil. So the capital of Brazil, it is Brasilia. So you can tick on option B. Now see the fifth one, that is Sri Lanka. So the capital of Sri Lanka, it is Colombo, not Colombia, it is Colombo. So you can tick on option B. Now see the next one, that is capital of Saudi Arabia. So capital of Saudi Arabia, it is Riyadh. So you can tick option B. Now see the seventh one, that is capital of Spain. So the capital of Spain, it is Madrid. So you can tick on option B, that is Madrid. Now see the eighth one, that is Malaysia. So the capital of Malaysia, it is Kuala Lumpur. So you can tick on A, that is Kuala Lumpur. Now see the ninth one, that is Pakistan. So the capital of Pakistan, it is Islamabad. So you can tick option B, that is Islamabad. Now see the last one, that is 10th one, Thailand. So the capital of Thailand, it is Bangkok. So you can tick on option A, that is Bangkok. So I think so children, you have understood some prominent names of capital cities. So learn the spelling of the capital cities and which state which country it belongs. So that's it for today. Thank you children.